Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm here to show you guys another level 40 dinosaur from Jurassic World the Game. If you guys have some new dinosaurs that you want me to try and draw, please let me know and I would love to see if I can create them for you guys. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a level 40 POSTOSUCHUS. Now I might have said that wrong, so I apologize, but I hope that's right. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 POSTOSUCHUS, I'm going to begin with the eye. We'll begin right here by just making a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come up like a check mark. Then we're going to add a little circle shape right in here. Next I'm going to make a little line that comes down. And we'll make a little line that's going to go up and then comes down like this. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then it's going to come up and curve down for the nose. Then we'll make a line that's going to go over and it's just going to kind of be a little wiggly and it's going to come back to here. They've got a really big mouth. There's going to be some long teeth in the front, so I'm going to add some long, sharp teeth along here. Then we'll add a couple on the top here. Then we'll make some lines that just go down and then it's going to come up here. Starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes down for the neck. We'll make a little line that's going to go down. Then starting here, we're going to come down at an angle. We'll make a little line that comes to a point and back, comes to a point and back, and comes to a point right here. I'm going to make this line come up, and one that goes up here. Next, I'll make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come back. And then we'll go down like this. Make a pointy line here for a claw. One more here, and we'll do one more right here. Then I'll make a line that comes up. And then one that goes up at an angle. And then one that comes up here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Now starting up here, we're going to add the other leg. So we'll draw a line that goes down, and it's going to come back at an angle, and then down here. Make a little line that comes down and back, and then one more right here, the little line up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and it's going to come out here at an angle. Little line that goes out and back, and then one more little claw right here. Now, I want to begin by making the back here, but instead of just making like a straight line, we're going to add some details on here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that goes straight across and it's going to come down. We're going to go across and then down. And we're going to do this and then we're going to kind of bring it down just a little bit. Now once I get to about here, I'm going to start bringing it back up. And I'm just going to do this all the way across just to make like these little kind of scale shapes so we see a lot of texture on here. Now I'm going to do this to right about here, kind of where that tail is going to start. And then this time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come all the way down to the tail. Now he's gonna have like 2 rows of these kind of like fins on him. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'll start right about here, and I'm gonna make a little line that's gonna go up and then come back. And I'm just going to make these all the way across. I'm gonna make them get a little bit taller as they get to here. And then I'll slowly start to make them get smaller and smaller as I come back. Now, right between these, I'm going to just make some little lines to connect these. Just so it almost kind of looks like a little bit of like a fin. So we're just going to make these come all the way across. Now, along the back here, he's going to have a really big kind of tall set of these. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here and we're going to make some tall, kind of skinny, pointy spikes. So I'm going to make these come all the way across here, and I'm going to get them really, really tall. Once I get to about this point, I'm going to start making them get smaller and smaller. So we're going to start bringing them down here, making them smaller. But the thing is, we're going to bring these all the way down the tail. So we're going to make these get nice and small to about here. Then I'm going to put a really big pointy one on the tail. And we're going to just do the same thing. We're just going to connect these with some lines. I'm not really going down and up too much, but once I get to here, then I'll start kind of doing that, you know, almost like a smiley face shape. So we're just going to come all the way down to here. We're going to connect each one of these spikes with these little lines. We'll do one right here. Now I'm going to add a couple more little spikes right here on the head. I'm going to add another big spike here with another one up here that just goes up and down. I'll add one here and then one here, like 2 little shark fins. And then 2 really small ones here. Next we'll make a little curved line and a little kind of comma shape right there for the nostril. So here's our basic shape of our POSTOSUCHUS. Now we just need to come in here and add some of the different details. I'm going to add a little pupil right here, so I'm just going to color in a little black dot. I'm going to add a couple little lines around here with a couple more kind of broken lines over here. I'm going to add some little broken lines right around here too on the face, and then a couple more over here. I'm going to make just some long kind of little broken lines right around here. And I'm going to put a couple of little curved lines just to kind of show where the arms are sitting in here. Some little wrinkles around here. I'm going to add some little broken lines kind of coming right across the legs. And a couple more over here too. We'll add some little claws on here, some extra little lines. And we'll do these on the back legs as well. We'll just add some quick little lines here. I'm going to add just a couple more wrinkly lines here, and then just some quick little broken lines kind of right around the legs. And we'll do these same things all the way along here. A couple little broken lines right around here too. Then I'm just going to kind of add some quick little broken lines. I'm going to add a long kind of broken line pattern right down here with some little lines going down the tail as well. Then I'm going to add some more quick little lines, and we're just going to put some little lines coming right along here. I'm also going to put one more little spike kind of right behind the eye of our POSTOSUCHUS. A couple more little lines around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a POSTOSUCHUS level 40 from Jurassic World the Game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.